and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a lovely, wonderful, fantastic day. Sorry if it sounds like the Texas Chainsaw Massacre outside. Somebody's weed eating in the rain. $100, it's Jimmy. Jimmy! Give it a rest. Oh boy, you guys. Okay, so today we're going to be doing another Stitch Fix unboxing. I have done one of these before on my channel. You guys can check that out if you would like. I'll leave it linked down below. So my general thought with that video, thought process with that video is I just didn't understand the subscription. Because you're paying $20 for somebody to pick out random clothes for you to try on, you still have to pay for the clothes themselves. I've heard that they're a little bit, or maybe sometimes even a lot of bit over like market price, and then you only really get any type of discount if you buy all 5 of the items. I could see there being a value to it, like if you get the subscription, you're getting items at a discounted rate that you can purchase without having to buy like the entire box of stuff. Are we cutting down trees? What's happening? Oh, I'm sorry, Jimmy. They are cutting down trees. I feel bad now. But for me, overall, the subscription just doesn't make a ton of sense. Like, I understand if you're in a place where you really don't have access to many clothing stores, but online shopping is always an option. But if you love it, you enjoy it, you think it's fun, you like getting things picked up for you, having someone like curate your style, totally fine with me. Totally get it, and I do think it is fun to get these clothes and try them on. But with this type of subscription, you know, every now and then, if you're bad at remembering things, you might run into just like the tiniest little problem. So I made a whoopsie, and I actually received my Stitch Fix box like a week ago, maybe more, which is a whoopsie because you only have a certain amount of time to send back your items without being charged for them, and I'm fairly sure that window has eclipsed. So whatever is inside my Stitch Fix box now belongs to me. I will get on the website, just check and make sure that I do have to keep everything, but I'm fairly certain I do. So here's my box. We're about to go through it and see what items I now own. I will still be doing a try-on for you guys to see how these things work out. It comes with a little prepaid mailer here and a big old stack of papers. Ooh, and it looks like we might have a pair of shoes. I got a pair of shoes in my last box also. They weren't exactly my favorite, so I'm hoping these are different. These are definitely a little bit different. These are from Report Footwear. They are the Tony Mule-Heeled Booty, tan in a size 7.5. My foot's weird. Just one of them. both of my feet are a little bit weird. One of them is a little bit larger than the other, but the sizing ranges quite a bit between shoes. I'm sure a lot of people's do too. Like, I can wear all the way down to a 6 in some shoes and all the way up to like a 7.5, so this is a little bit on the larger range for me. This is what the little boot looks like. There is just a weird place up here, but I'm assuming this is leather. No, it's some type of fake man-made suede. I do really like the color of these. I like the concept of these. I'm just not sure how I feel about the pointed toe. I am not a pointed toe person typically when it comes to heels, boots, pretty much any type of shoe. I like a either rounded toe, not a square. I like a round toe. It's a good round toe. So for me personally, I think if these were rounded off here on the edge, I could definitely get a lot more use out of them, but I will try them on and see what they look like. I could see them being a really nice fall shoe. Looks a little bit like a cornucopia, like a Thanksgiving. Oh my gosh! Okay, I went ahead and gave it like a little pre-test on my foot, and I am highly unsure of this. It looks like I'm missing the rest of my Western boot, like my cowboy boot. It looks like half of it fell off. It also makes my foot look oddly long. Anyway, that's the first item. Ooh, I'm liking the color scheme we have going on here. We have kind of like a burnt rusty orange. I'm seeing some black. That's literally like what I wear every day in the fall. Well, this is more of a maroon, but still, I love these colors. I'm seeing some potential black denim here and a little tiny polka dot. I'm very excited about this actually. Fingers crossed that orange thing is a cardigan. I wear cardigans constantly. This one I got at TJ Maxx like 5 years ago or something. It is peeled all to pieces. There's little balls of like yarn all over the place, but I still love it. Ooh. Alright, you guys, so this first top I'm actually pretty excited about. It's black, which I approve of. It has a tiny little polka dot pattern on it with just some white polka dots, and then on the back there is a bow at the bottom where it ties. This is definitely a me type shirt. The sleeves look like they have a little bit of a poof to them, and there's like an elastic band around the arm, which I personally like. Yeah, ooh, I'm actually really excited about this shirt. Next in here, I'm very intrigued by what this is. Ooh, it's a skirt. Ooh, I like that. yet. Okay, so this is another Free People skirt. I got the same like style skirt in my last box, but it had a different pattern. This is just plain black denim, which I definitely think I could get a ton of use out of. It's in a size 8 and it's just called the Modern Black Denim Skirt. The only thing is I'm really not hoping to be a size 8 for much longer. I'm going to be starting kind of like a fitness workout healthy regimen routine, trying to like tone up a little bit, gain some muscle, get really healthy. So I don't know if I'll be in a size 8 for a long time, so maybe I could go ahead and size down just a little bit. But otherwise it has like really nice stretch to it. It seems like it would be a very useful skirt for like the fall and winter seasons. You could wear like tights underneath it if it's really cold. So far I'm very excited. I'm glad I'm enjoying these items so far because like I said, I own them all. Alright, the next item in here is something I'm a little bit nervous about. I know that like the skinny jeans are supposed to be out, but I don't know if I can get on board with that. I don't know if I can. I like my jeans to look like they've been painted onto my body. Like they've been painted on there. I want them to remain looking like that. I don't like feeling any loose fabric in front of my knees. I don't know what to tell you. I don't want denim just like swaying freely on my skin. These jeans will be the first pair of straight leg jeans that I have ever tried on. I have never tried on a pair of straight leg jeans before. I mean, back in the day when I was young, heavens knows what I was wearing. I know that they would drag the floor and get wet and get holes in the bottom of them. That's why it's skinny jeans. They can't go out of style. These are the Just USA Phillips Slim Straight Jeans in black and size 8. They have a little bit of detailing here at the hem. Well, there is no hem. I guess that's the point. It's kind of like a rough raw edge and there's a little bit of like, you know, that stuff there. It looks a little bit distressed. They are button-up jeans, which I personally love this style of pants. I wonder if these are the same brand as the shorts that I got in my very first box that I ever did that I filmed and then the footage like disappeared. I do really like the shorts. I wore them a ton this summer, but the button popped off super easy. Like one of these buttons down here, it popped off and you can't really like sew it back on, so I had to get a random button that I found in like a sewing kit and just slap it on there. But yeah, we will give these a try and see how they work out. And then finally, the very last thing in the box is the thing I'm most excited about. I really hope it is a cardigan. No! Okay, it is a pullover sweater. It's not a cardigan. I was so hoping this was a cardigan so I would wear it constantly. This is from Pinque. It's the Azilla mock neck pullover in burnt orange. It's a size medium, and I got something from this brand in my last box as well. This feels awesome though. It feels really good. It's very soft, has a lot of stretch to it. It's made with 30% recycled polyester, which that's cool. There's some recycling going on with this. I don't know how I feel about a mock turtleneck. I'm not a huge fan of actual turtlenecks because I feel like I'm being choked, but this one is a mock one, so maybe it won't feel as choky. It looks just like a regular length sweater. It's not cropped or anything. The sleeves do have like a little bit of a balloon type shape to them, which I like also. So yeah, I'm excited to try this on. I definitely think my favorite things so far are the polka dot tie top and the black skirt. A little bit nervous about the pants and actually a little bit nervous about the pullover as well, just because I'm not sure if I'm gonna like a mock neck. But yeah, let's go try all these things on, so follow me to the bedroom. Hi guys! Okay, so the first outfit here I have on the cornucopia shoes, the skirt, and the sweater. The shoes, they're just not me. They're not for me. I feel strangely like a half elf, half like cowgirl, and they're just really, they're just not for me, unfortunately. I do really like the color of them. I could see people being cute in these, just not me. If they were like a full ankle booty, I would like them so much more, but unfortunately I am just not a fan. I'm not even sure if you guys can see them from over there. The next thing you have here is the skirt, which this lighting just really emphasizes the tummy, which that's super fantastic, but this skirt actually fits like perfectly. It fits so good. There's no gapping around the waist whatsoever. It's very stretchy and comfortable. I like the little detail from the lines in it, but I do wish it had pockets, just like the last skirt. This one doesn't have pockets either. I personally think it fits great. It is a good length. It's not too short. I really like the skirt. Moving on to the sweater. So I tried to like tuck it up or something to make it look a little better, but with it down, it just looks like this, and I am not a fan. I do honestly feel like I am being choked out. There's something about the way this is setting on my neck that's putting just an anxiety-inducing amount of pressure just so nicely right here on my neck. It makes me feel so claustrophobic. So this sweater, unfortunately, is a definite no for me. I think with it just hanging free like this, it is incredibly unflattering on me. I have very broad shoulders, a broad rib cage. The smallest part of me is right here, and just having this hang down like this, I just look like a box. It's really emphasizing how broad my shoulders are, especially with the straight across neckline, and I'm just not a fan. I love the color, I like the feel of it, but I am just not a fan of how this fits. However, I do think the skirt is very cute, and this is something I'll pick up for myself, but I know it's gonna be expensive because I think the last one was like $64, so I'm sure this one's gonna be about the same. Oh my god, it's 1,000,000 degrees. Oh, I put it on backwards. Okay. Oh no, you guys. Okay, so there are some major issues here for me personally. So I have on these straight leg pants with the shirt with a tie in the back. The first thing is like the pants are fitted through here in the thigh, but like I can just feel the looseness of the material around my shins and knees, and I don't enjoy it. I don't like that feeling. I feel like I'm just wearing stretched out pants, and I don't like how it feels. I also am not a fan of this length. I don't know, I guess it's a popular length, but I don't like it. I think it looks kind of strange on me. I suppose it's like ankle length, maybe it's a regular length, but just because the bottom isn't tapered in, it just feels very odd to me. They fit fantastic up here, and I love the stretch to them. They're very comfortable. They feel just like the shorts. But if they were actual like skinny jeans that taper down to the ankle, like nice and snug, I would love these, but unfortunately I am not a fan of these. I feel like they make me look shorter for some reason. They kind of cut off my leg weird. The shirt is okay. There is a little extra puff in the sleeve here, which I try to avoid again because my shoulders are so broad. That just anything extra up here just makes me look like a power lady from the 1980s, and though that's not a bad look, maybe it's just not the one that I'm really going for. I thought the sleeves would hit a little different. I don't know if I'm enjoying the length of the sleeve. And then the tie of the shirt is in the back, and unfortunately it exposes one of the least favorite parts of my body. So like this chunk here on my back, I don't like that at all, so I would feel very self-conscious actually wearing this. That's just definitely not a part of my body that I try to showcase, so the fact that it's exposed and open, I would feel very well exposed and open, honestly, if I were to wear this out. I really had high hopes for this shirt. I thought it was cute. Of course, I love the black, the tiny little polka dots, but having it on, I'm just really not as like comfortable and confident as I would like to be. So unfortunately, this whole outfit, I just don't think is gonna work for me. Alright guys, so that was the entire try on. The excitement that I had before I actually tried the items on definitely started to fade with each item that I put on. First thing I put on was a skirt, and I was like, oh yeah, I'm feeling good. I really like this skirt. It's so stretchy, it's black, fantastic. And then like I put on the sweater and the shoes, and things just kept going downhill and downhill, unfortunately. So let's just go ahead and see what the damage is. Let's rip off that band-aid, see what we got going on here. The first thing we have here is just a style guide saying like different ways that you could style your clothing, plus there is a little note from your stylist. My stylist was Jennifer. I honestly do think she did a fantastic job picking out colors and styles and things like that I would like. It's just things needed to be tweaked just a little bit to make me feel more comfortable in them. But this is the big guy right here. This is going to tell us how much money I've spent on all of these things without ever actually seeing them because I forgot to open the box. There is a reason that I forgot to open the box. So this month, you guys have probably noticed that I've been a little bit absent. There have been a lot of exciting things happening this month, and it just kind of, unfortunately, I'm so sorry, it's just taken my attention away from a lot of things. I definitely am going to be telling you guys what's going on very soon. I can't really do it yet, but that will be coming soon. I'll make a whole video about it, but yeah, I'm so sorry that I have been kind of absent this month. It's just been a very exciting month. Okay, so the first item that we have here, and the one that I like the most, is the Free People Modern Denim Miniskirt in the shade black, size 8. It's actually less than I thought it was going to be. The one that I tried on the last box, I could have sworn it was like $60 something, but this one is $50. Still pretty expensive for a stretchy black denim skirt, but I'll take it. Okay. Okie dokie. The Lush Carly tie back blouse in the shade black, size medium, is $42. Very expensive. The next thing we have is the Eliza mock neck pullover in burnt orange, size medium. This is $46. The Just USA Philip slim straight jeans in black, size 8, are $58. Okay, $58 for the jeans. And then finally, the cornucopias for your feet. Oh, my heart. Oh no! Are $60. The most expensive thing in here is probably my least favorite. Okay, so my subtotal for everything is $256. So that is how much I would pay for everything altogether if I didn't get the 25% off discount and the $20 styling fee subtracted from my order. So with the 25% discount, I am saving $64, which brings my subtotal to $192. Then you take off the styling fee, which is another $20 off, which brings my order to $172. Okay, so here's what I think. I think if you loved every single item in there, $172 isn't that bad. You're getting a denim skirt, you're getting jeans, you're getting a nice pullover sweater, another shirt, and then a pair of shoes. I don't think that's too bad. But the problem is that I definitely don't love everything in the box. I really thought I would. Like, I was so convinced I would love everything because like the colors and just the style of it, and most of it was black. Like, I was very excited for all of that, but unfortunately just like little fit issues really prevented me from liking a lot of the items in there. So I don't think I'm gonna get a lot of use out of most of these items. That skirt though, I really do like that skirt. So basically I'm paying like $172 for a skirt. The other items, I'll see what I do with it. Oh, I have a Poshmark. So if they say that I really can't return these items because you're supposed to return them within 3 days according to this, and it's been well over 3 days, then you might find some of these things on my Poshmark if you're interested in any of them. I'll leave my Poshmark down below, like, just in case. Just in case if you guys want to go check it out. It's like my personal Poshmark. It's also the Poshmark for my vintage store. We have barely anything on there right now, but there might be some new items added very soon. Anyway, guys, that is all I have for you all today. Thank you so very much for watching. Please go ahead and consider subscribing if you would not mind. It would mean the absolute world to me, and I just hope you guys have a lovely, wonderful, fantastic day, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!